cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient.
So the last step in setting this amp up is to set the gains. Now we've used this, we've changed everything over to this LAF bass knob. Right, this is for my mids and highs, this one's for my bass. So what I'm gonna do, turn that all the way up, turn that all the way down. That way when we're testing, we're not getting any sound coming through the door speakers. All right, and then what I'm gonna do, let me show you guys. When I had this remote bass knob in here, this thing has a clip indicator on it, and it is pretty accurate. I mean, accurate enough. So I'm just gonna use this. I got it plugged in. I got my subwoofer leads unplugged. That way we don't get great big, oh, that's just a receipt, trash. That way we don't get great big 40 hertz sine wave coming through this. So, let's see here. Zoom out a little bit. All right. Let's let some voltage climb a little bit. That's about where it likes to sit when it's warm out. So let's pull out our SMD test tones here. So let's set this bad boy at -5 dB. So 40 hertz at -5 is track 3. Okay, we've already got this set. Okay, I know that's the highest I want to go before I start getting distortion out of the head unit. So we got it set up there, 28. Now we know my volume knob is here, but that's turned all the way up. Or excuse me, my bass knob, whatever. All right, so head unit's turned all the way up, bass knob's turned all the way up. We need track 3. Grab my remote here. Oh, we got to turn this on. There we go. Okay, that bad boy's on. It's on max. Okay, we're not at clipping yet. So you can see if I turn this up to volume 30, we get distortion. All right. So let's see, where is my subwoofer level is at? Here, we'll set that at 0. All right. Oh, I screwed up, guys. I got to go get a little screwdriver. I'll be right back. All right, so I don't know if I can get all this like in one shot, but you can see we're not at clipping. And so I'm just gonna turn the gain on this up until we see some clipping. Oh, we're getting clipping. Okay, I didn't see that. I got like a glare here. Let's see, can we set it up there? Yeah, there we go. All right, we're getting clipping. Now let's turn it back down. Oh, and there's a clip light right there too. There we go. No clipping, clipping. No clipping, clipping. All right, so we'll set it right there. That's where she wants it.
Mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top?